Dichienge maradek, kawuono idayo dho ngire Peter Ngure, mioro kaka jambete riwruok mar UNESCO e boma ma Paris, George Morara mioro Addis Ababa, Kanal Shem Amadi madhi e piny DRC, kod Jeremy Dola madhi Juba, Sudan ma milambo.
I was the Human Resource Committee Chair at the Kenya Medical Research Institute Board. I can say, with all due respect, Honorable Member, that by the time I exited KEMRI, there was no petition. Indeed, if this will be watched on TV this evening, I'm sure KEMRI staff will be clapping and saying, there goes our man. Within 3 years, we were able to promote 160 scientists from the level of KMR 4, 3, and 2. For the first time, we have 19 scientists serving at KMR 2, the equivalent of director. I set the questions, I set the pace, I developed the marking schemes, and by the end of it, just in a light touch, some scientists approached me and said, Peter, thank God you came our way. For the first time, we've had promotions without any man touching anybody's cut or without anybody demanding somebody to produce their wallet.
Been able to negotiate some very intricate negotiations and successfully to do so. A case in point is while at the United Nations, I was able to negotiate more than 36 resolutions of the General Assembly on budgetary questions. One of the stalled projects that I found when I went to New York in 2008 was the construction of new office facilities at the Union compound here in Gigiri. I moved that, and the construction of that project is one of the masterpieces of the United Nations, delivered within a space of 22 months, when it was projected to take about 28 months, delivered under budget for the first time in the United Nations.